Question number 1. Which of the following statement is false? A. Statistics is derived from the Latin word status. B. Statistics is derived from the Italian word statista. C. Statistics is derived from the French word statistique. D. None of these. Answer C. Statistic is derived from the French word statistique. Question number 2. Statistics is defined in terms of numerical data in the A. Singular sense, B. Plural sense, C. Either A or B, D. Both A and B. Answer B. Plural sense. Question number 3. Statistics is applied in A. Economics, B. Business management, C. Commerce and industry, D. All this. Answer D. All this. Question number 4. Statistics is concerned with A. Qualitative information, B. Quantitative information, C. A or B, D. Both A and B. Answer D. Both A and B. Question number 5. An attribute is a qualitative characteristic, B a quantitative characteristic, C measurable characteristic, D all this. Answer A. Qualitative characteristic. Question number 6. Annual income of a person is A. An attribute, B. A discrete variable, C. A continuous variable, D. B or C. Answer B. A discrete variable. Question number 7. Marks of a student is an example of A. An attribute, B. A discrete variable, C. A continuous variable, D. None of these. Answer B. A discrete variable. Question number 8. Nationality of a student is A. An attribute, B. A continuous variable, C. A discrete variable, D. A or C. Answer A. An attribute. Question number 9. Drinking habit of a person is A. An attribute, B. Variable, C. A discrete variable, D. A continuous variable. Answer A. An attribute. Question number 10. Age of a person is A. An attribute, B. A discrete variable, C. A continuous variable, D. A variable. Answer C. A continuous variable. Question number 11. Data collected on religion from the census reports are A. Primary data, B. Secondary data, C. Sample data, D. A or B. Answer B. Secondary data. Question number 12. The data collected on the height of a group of students after recording their heights with a measuring tape are. Answer A. Primary data. Question number 13. The primary data are collected by A. Interview method, B. Observation method, C. Questionnaire method, D. All this. Answer D. All this. Question number 14. The quickest method to collect primary data is A. Personal interview, B. Indirect interview, C. Telephone interview, D. By observation. Answer C. Telephone interview. Question number 15. The best method to collect data in case of a natural calamity is A. Personal interview, B. Indirect interview, C. Questionnaire method, D. Direct observation method. Answer A. Personal interview.